Sinovac's production facility for its vaccine against the coronavirus, called CoronaVac, is located on the south side of Beijing. It's a 20,000 square metre state-of-the-art plant, purpose-built in March as part of China's efforts to combat the disease. There's a feel-good factor among people here about the work they're doing.
We have to emphasise that the Phase 3 trial results are better than we thought. This is a prior requirement.
Sinovac's currently conducting all-important Phase 3 trials of its vaccine in Turkey, Brazil and Indonesia, and it's got the green light to go ahead and do the same in Bangladesh. It's the last stage of testing CoronaVac has to go through before it can pass regulatory approval and become available for general use.
We have published relevant articles in science journals. We have confidence that the antibodies offer protection. This is as a result of our massive experimentation on pathogeny.
In China, vaccines have already been approved for limited use. They've been administered to thousands of people in targeted groups.
Now, one of the things I just couldn't help but notice, and perhaps this is testament to how confident people here are about their vaccine, is that a lot of staff aren't wearing masks.
That's despite there being dozens of visitors to the facility today. Nearly all staff at Sinovac were inoculated months ago.
But personally, I'm confident with our product, so
That's not to say proper procedures aren't being taken where necessary. Like most of the other Chinese candidates in the running for global regulatory approval, Sinovac employed the tried and tested method of using an inactivated vaccine. What it does is it disables the virus and at the same time maintains its antigen properties. Many scientists say it could prove to be the best bet of all the methods.
So this is time-honored. A lot of vaccines are actually out there, already licensed against other viruses, are actually using this design. The other vaccine designs are actually very, very innovative in terms of not having been licensed for any other human conditions.
Sinovac says it believes CoronaVac will hold up against different strains or mutations of COVID-19 as well. There's a lot riding on all of this. The facility here cost hundreds of millions of dollars. If it proves successful, this plant has the capacity to produce 300 million doses per year. And plans are already in the works to replicate it, both in China and elsewhere around the world. For the world's sake, many people will be hoping Sinovac's confidence is not misplaced. Patrick Fock, SABC News, Beijing.
And let's take you now to a public seminar entitled Post-Colonial Zimbabwean Experience Lessons for the ANC. It's being hosted by Ivo Mandaza and Paulo Jordan under the banner